So I recently got this 5-piece baking props, and everything that is included is right here on the side. So you do get the little baster brush, an egg beater, a leakage shuffle, a scraper, and then another scraper but in a smaller size. So I'm going to go ahead and open it up and show you what it looks like. They do have a variety of colors that you could choose from: black, red, blue, pink, and green. I'm going to go ahead and open it up and then show you. I did get the green one. It's a neon green color, and I'm just going to show you what each one of these products looks like, just so you know what to expect when you receive your product. So as you can see, this is the smaller scraper. It is silicone material, very nice quality, nice grip. They do have a hook right here in case you like to hang up your little spatulas or whatever the case might be. Here is the little baster one. So take a look. So again, this one is silicone, and then also with the hook, and then this is the size just for reference. So they are like a little smaller, but this is perfect to have in your kitchen. This is the larger scraper. So again, perfect for baking, cooking, and helping you get into those, if you're cooking or something like a bowl or anything like that. And again, this has a hole, and then this one is the size. So I'm going to go ahead and give you a side-by-side comparison of the little one and then the big one. So take a look. So a big difference in size, but definitely you get two options. So whichever one you'd like to use. Then next you get your spatula. Very, very nice. Silicone. I'm gonna go ahead and show you what the edge looks like. So really nice. Again, has a hole right here, and then this is what the spatula looks like. So really, really nice. And then last but not least, you get your whisk. I'm gonna go ahead and open it. They are all wrapped in plastic, so very, very nice. And then this is your whisk. Take a look. It has a nice little metal handle, and then also a little hook in case, again, if you want to go ahead and hang these up. But definitely a nice set. Again, there is a variety of colors available, so if you're looking for a nice kitchen affordable set, then I would highly recommend.